Tayo ng ice cream. Eating ice cream.
Ice cream, ice cream. Everybody likes ice cream. Rock, rock, my baby, roll. You, ice cream. Everybody likes ice cream. Rock, rock, my baby, roll.
Napapakanta siya habang kumakain ng ice cream. Kain tayo. What's wrong with you?
Yeah, this was 50 years ago. But I forgot
I forgot the lyrics.
the seconds.
Ito pa yung natira kahapon.
No Coca-Cola, no Pepsi-Cola. Everybody like ice cream. You scream. Everybody like ice cream. Rock, rock, my baby, roll. Chris Papa's chest band.
That song was 50 years ago. Kain tayo.
Chris Papa.
Sabi ko sa kanya kahapon, yung maliit lang ang bilhin na ice cream. Aba, ang binili, malaki. Tsaka hindi naman niya ito paborito. Ang paborito niyang ice cream is Magnum ice cream. Tsaka ito yung flavor na binili niya. 4 na klase. Samantalang yung favorite ko yung mango. Mango lang. Pero okay na lang din naman. Kumakain pa rin naman ako kahit hindi ko ito paborito. Wa ni gipili. Bisag unsa ni kaunon uy. Ang taon na mahurot na namo ini karon para wa na bilin. Ayan, thanks for watching. Mga unay kami. Bye.